Let me show you something cool. On the FAB, there's now a new typewriter effect available. It is very simple, very easy to use, as it is just another UMG component. And it will look something like this. This is the demo map you will get included with your purchase. And in here, I can type whatever I want. Hello world, welcome to my game. The speed by default is 0.9. I can render the text, and as you can see, my new text will get rendered. I can also, let me set this a little bit slower. I can also press the skip button to make sure it gets skipped. Now, how would you go about creating something with this? It really is very simple. Let's create a new widget blueprint. User widget. Let's call this our dialog. Add a canvas, an overlay, an image for inside the overlay. Let's make the image have the horizontal and vertical alignment to fully fill up that overlay. Let's set up the anchors for the overlay. 0 offset left, position of 0, 0 offset right, the size of 300. And the alignment should be 1 on the y-axis. So now it's fully filling our bottom. Make that black. Then we can, if we search on rich text, you can see we get our normal rich text block and we get a new rich text typewriter block. Let's put it in, also make it fill it up. Padding of about 50. Make it nice in the middle. Add some justification, put it in the middle. It comes with a demo text style, which is the styles shown here, red, purple and italic, just for demo purposes, but you can of course use your own font materials to create more interesting effects. What I can also do is tick the isVariable button, and with isVariable I can bind events. So I also have an onComplete event. So onComplete, I could write out hello, or I could do something else. I could go to the next item in my dialog set or something like that. If you go to the level blueprint, which by default adds it to the viewport and does some funky stuff to give you mouse support, and instead of demo widget, which is the one that gets delivered with the package, you can just go to our dialog, which we just created. And if we create that, it won't show up anything. Why is that? We don't have any input text set up. This lorem ipsum text is purely to show you that there's a rich text component there and how the text will look. So if I said hello, this is some text. If I hover over this, you can also see default text to be rendered on construct. If it is empty, no text will be rendered. So we can also give this some delay. The before write delay gives you the ability to change how long it takes before it actually starts writing when you call the write function. While the initial delay is how long it should wait on construct before it should write. So if we put this to 2 and we play now, you can see after 2 seconds it will write out our text and it will go hello because it is done.